Okay, now we're going to talk about trigger reset. And this is kind of a controversial topic because a lot of people are taught, in my opinion, the wrong way to do this. Very common. All right, so I'm going to bring the pistol up, make sure it's empty. All right, now, I teach and I believe, and I've always done, reset during recoil. So as the gun fires and the gun cycles to the rear, you automatically reset the trigger during recoil. So when the gun's back on target, you're ready to take the slack out and fire again. Reset during recoil, just like that. Reset during recoil. The gun is set up to do that. One, it has a trigger return spring that pushes the trigger back forward. And then number two, the slide is moving to the rear. So basically the gun is torquing away from your trigger finger. So if you don't concentrate on doing it another way, this is the way you're gonna automatically do it. Reset during recoil. Now, what is also taught that's a training scar comes from another pistol on the market where you pin the trigger to the rear and then you slowly reset after the gun's back on target. All right, there's a variety of reasons that's taught. I'll be honest with you, I don't agree with any of them. Here's what I see in the real world in all my training on that. Here's the problem. People get under conditions of stress, they get on the timer, and what ends up happening is they hold the trigger to the rear and they slowly reset, and their only option to shoot faster is to jerk the trigger. So what they do is slowly reset, bang, slowly reset, bang, slowly reset, bang. As soon as they hear that click, they make the gun go bang. And actually what they're doing is exactly the opposite of what you want to do in the real world. What you want to do in the real world is reset during recoil and then bang. Reset during recoil, bang. Reset during recoil, bang. That's what you want to do. Another way to look at it is each shot needs to stand on its own. The last shot is gone. There's nothing you can do about it. You got to focus on the next shot. If you do that slow trigger reset where you're hearing the click, it's like you're dragging baggage from the previous shot to your next shot. And you keep doing that over and over and over again. If you do what I'm talking about, reset during recoil, what essentially happens is that shot you just fired is gone and you've cleaned the slate for the next shot. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you got something out of it. Remember, you got to practice this. And if you get instruction around the country, you're going to see a lot of that slow trigger reset. Take it from me, you don't want to do it. You want to practice reset during recoil. Have a good one. Stay safe at the range. LAV out.